In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube thumbnail template in Canva. By the end, you'll have a perfectly sized canvas ready to customize, so your thumbnails look consistent and professional every time. Start on your main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your recent designs and the search bar at the top. From here, look to the top left and click Create. This opens a quick way to start a new design without guessing sizes or fiddling with dimensions. In the search field that appears, type YouTube. Canva will show several related options, and the one you want is YouTube thumbnail. Click that, and Canva will immediately create a new design for you. That's the entire setup. The moment it opens, you're looking at a blank, perfectly sized thumbnail canvas. What makes this so helpful is that Canva automatically uses the standard thumbnail size for YouTube, so you don't have to worry about aspect ratios or pixel dimensions. It's already set to the format that fits perfectly on YouTube, which means your design won't be stretched, cropped, or blurry. This gives you a reliable foundation to build a repeatable look for your channel. Think of this blank design as your base template. You can now plan a consistent layout that you'll reuse. A clear space for your title text, a spot for an image or cutout, and a simple color background that matches your brand. Keep your main elements centered and away from the edges so they remain visible across devices. High contrast colors and bold fonts help your text pop even at small sizes, and a limited color palette keeps everything cohesive. If you're previewing as you design, try zooming out so the thumbnail appears small on your screen. This mimics how it will look in the YouTube feed and helps you check readability. Aim for short, punchy wording, clean lines, and one strong focal point. A simple background often works better than a busy one because it allows your message to stand out. When adding images, look for sharp, well-lit visuals that complement your text rather than compete with it. That's all there is to it. From the main dashboard, click Create, search for YouTube, choose YouTube thumbnail, and you're ready to design on a canvas that fits perfectly. With this setup, you can build a clean, reusable thumbnail look that speeds up your workflow and keeps your channel visually consistent.